Okay, the first part of it that puts more money in the hands of entrepreneurs. The Small Business Job Act increased our guaranteed loan programs. As you know, our major financing assistance to small business is in the forms of guaranteed loans. Mm-hmm. It's called the 7A Guaranteed Loan Program and many sub-programs under that, or a few, not many, but enough to assist small businesses. Mm-hmm. And the Small Business Jobs Act actually increased the maximum amount that can be lent to small business in the various programs. And if you'd like me to, I can go down a list of those programs that were increased by the Small Business Jobs Act. For example, our premier 7A loan program for any good business purpose went up from $2 to $5 million.
So who would be using the 7A loan program?
Okay, the 7A loan program is any business that can qualify for a loan because, again, we do not make the loans. The government does not make the loans under a guaranteed loan program. The lenders, the banks and non-bank lenders who make these loans qualify the applicants for the loans. However, we guarantee the loan to the lender should there be a borrower default.
I see. So you guys basically investigate the companies with all these loans and say, yeah, we think these are good guys, and we can guarantee that these loans will be taken care of. If not, we'll handle it.
What the lenders will do that, they will underwrite the application. Then they'll look generally in 4 different areas. The credit of the applicant, their partners, and their spouses. They'll look at their investment. And they also look at collateral of their partners and their spouses and their ability to pay that loan. Mm-hmm. Okay. And one that all of the information and other is reviewed, then the lender makes a determination whether they can make a loan. Now, every lender is going to try and do a commercial loan. Mm-hmm. First, and if they are good in all those areas, especially collateral, because nowadays real estate, which is what they prefer as collateral, is in a different situation nowadays. Real estate is valued at a lesser amount. So that's why many of the loans that are made, as far as SBA guarantees, are made primarily because if they could not be made and qualify, the applicants could not qualify as for a commercial loan that the lenders can make, then the lenders that we like to see the clients go to are SBA lenders, and then they can process that application under SBA guidelines.
So the SBA really is for people who don't qualify necessarily or don't easily get a standard commercial loan.
That's correct, Freda. They don't qualify, and primarily, again, because of collateral. Mm-hmm. Because they still have to have good credit, a good cash investment, and their ability to pay, based primarily on their financial statement forecasts, especially their cash flow.
There's really a myth, isn't there, that it's just easy to get a loan if you're a minority or a woman business owner. But it really isn't all that easy. You have to have the credit in place. You can't just walk in and say, because I'm minority certified, I now get this loan. That
is correct. Whether you're certified under our federal government contracting programs, or whether you're a woman-owned business or a ethnic minority, all these programs, you still have to qualify. The applicants still have to qualify under their own merits when they are underwritten and reviewed by the banks or the lenders.
Now, I don't want to take too much time with these loans, but I was looking at what you have there, the 7A loans, and then this is the list of all the different types of loans that are available. Is that how it works?
Yes, Freda. We have the 7A loan, the SBA Express, the Patriot Express, cap lines, small rural lender advantage loans, small loan advantage, community advantage, and then we have the International Trade, Export Working Capital Loan Program, Export Express, our dealer floor plan, and those are the guaranteed loan programs under the 7A. Then we have 2 other major loan programs, our 504 loans for facilities and microloans.
So all these different loans would be potentially available. Would you recommend that businesses contact you or your office for further information as to what they might be qualified for?
Absolutely. I speak with clients every day, and veterans as well. Many more veterans than I do other folks, because all the veterans are looking for me throughout the South Florida area. But they can contact us or our partners, like the Small Business Development Center, SCORE, Service Corps Retired Executives, Hillsborough County Small Business Information Center, St. Petersburg Business Assistance Center, and these partners, other partners as well, that are located in our 9-county area. Because what I do in order to assist them to prepare to transition from technical assistance, writing their business plan, their financial statements and marketing plans and so forth, to transition to financing, what I do, and I don't know of anybody else in the agency that does this, I track every loan that's made in the 9 counties that service.
Really?
Right. Yes. And the reason I did this is because, if remember when we met, I used to co-manage the one-stop capital shop with the city of St. Petersburg, and that's still around as known as a business assistance center. But I learned quickly that it was difficult once we helped them with the business plan, marketing plan, and all those, all that counseling, and they were ready to apply for loans. We could not tell which lenders were doing SBA loans, and so I developed this spreadsheet. It's a spreadsheet that lists the loans by county, by city, by loan amount.
And that way you know who to refer people to.
Absolutely, because there's only one of me in 9 counties, or at least there used to be. And then we have the loan program, the lender name, the business type, the jobs created, and that's important because I also keep the list for congressional districts,
right,
for congressmen, and whether it's a new or existing businesses. So once we know some of this information, and our clients, we assess their needs, what dollar amount, what kind of industry, whether they're a new or existing business, and how much money they're going to need. We can readily refer them to lenders so that they can interview those lenders and see if they make those kind of loans for them.
You're definitely the go-to guy then when it comes to looking for a business loan.
Yes, and I share this list with all my partners. So anywhere in the 9-county service area, folks should have this list so that when they speak with clients, they can also refer them to lenders that are making loans in their area.
Ah, that's good to know. Let me move on to something else too. But before I do, for people who do want to contact you, how would they go about doing that? Okay,
they can call me at the office. They can call me at 813, area code 813-228-2100, extension 24. Now, I do have a worker, another one of my coworkers. He actually reports to me. His name is Charles Long, very expert gentleman in lending. He's an ex-loan officer for a bank, and he's also a person that is knowledgeable about our export lending programs for those companies that are doing exporting, and also he deals with training our lenders and so forth, our loan officers, to process SBA loans.